our 3-compartment sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 75 inches. A depth, 21 inches. And a height of 43 inches tall. 43 inches counting the splash, minus the splash, we have 36 inches tall. Left to right drain boards, each one measuring 13 inches in length by 17 inches in depth. Coming to the center are 3 tubs. Each tub will measure 15 inches in length, 15 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Drain baskets included for each of the 3 tubs, and coming to the top will be the swivel head faucet. Measurements for the spout will include 12 inches in length. Measurements from the left and right faucet mounts will be 9 inches. Now, distance between the left and right faucet mount behind the sink will be 9 inches. And coming to the left corner is the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.